In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal in just 5 minutes. PayPal is a remarkably versatile tool that allows you to manage your finances, send and receive money, and make online purchases with ease. So let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. The first step is to go to PayPal's website by heading over to paypal.com. Once you're there, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to creating an account that will open up a world of convenient online transactions. Now, you'll need to decide which type of account best fits your needs. PayPal offers two main types, personal and business. A personal account is ideal if you're looking to make everyday purchases, receive money from friends, or handle casual payments. On the other hand, a business account provides additional features tailored for merchants and companies. Choose the one that aligns with your requirements and proceed to set it up. Next, you'll be prompted to input your personal details. This includes your email address, first and last name, address, and phone number. It's important to ensure all information is accurate to facilitate smooth transactions in the future. Don't forget to create a strong password that you will remember but isn't easy for others to guess. A combination of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols will fortify your security. After submitting your details, PayPal will send you a confirmation email. This email is crucial to verify your email address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you receive it, click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. This step is essential as it validates your email and activates your PayPal account. To fully utilize PayPal, you need to link your bank account or credit/debit card to your account. This allows you to send and receive money seamlessly. PayPal will guide you through the process, ensuring it's smooth and straightforward. Linking your financial details enhances your account's capabilities, making transactions swift and hassle-free. Once your details are verified and linked, you can start enjoying the myriad of features PayPal offers. Whether it's sending money to a friend, receiving payments, or making online purchases, you have all the tools at your disposal. PayPal simplifies these processes, enabling you to manage your finances effortlessly. Additionally, PayPal is widely accepted as a payment method across countless online platforms, providing you with the flexibility to shop and transact securely. The platform also offers useful tools for account management, helping you keep track of transactions and manage your finances with ease. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use PayPal and explore its world of convenience. Happy transacting, and remember to always keep your account secure by regularly updating your credentials. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.